Hello and welcome to traders and investors. I'm glad to present you the daily market review prepared by analysts and experts from fx.co portal. Here we go. Today is August 2 and we're starting from GBP USD with Jakub Novak. Pound continued to fall amid weak UK data on manufacturing activity for July. The sharp decline in the home price index also pointed to growing problems in the real estate market due to high interest rates. Do not expect a large sell-off in GBP USD before the Bank of England meeting tomorrow, given the empty macroeconomic calendar in the UK today. Bet more on the pair's upward correction and on purchases. For long positions, buy pound when the quote reaches 1.2788 and take profit at the price of 1.2841. Growth will occur as a part of an upward correction before the Bank of England's meeting. However, when buying, ensure that the MACD line is above zero or is starting to rise from it. Pound can also be bought after two consecutive price tests of 1.2758. But the MACD line should be in the oversold area, as only by that will the market reverse to 1.2788 and 1.2841. For short positions, sell pound when the quote reaches 1.2758 and take profit at the price of 1.2703. Pressure will return in case of a fall below the weekly lows. However, when selling, ensure that the MACD line is below zero or is starting to move down from it. Pound can also be sold after two consecutive price tests of 1.2788. But the MACD line should be in the overbought area. As only by that will the market reverse to 1.2758 and 1.2703. We've got a stop hunting idea for euro-dollar pair. This tip is presented by Andrei Shevchenko. Following a prolonged correction, euro-dollar rose in price during the Asian session today, breaking the bearish trend yesterday. In favor of sellers' liquidity at the level of 1.1050. Looking at the three-wave ABC pattern, where wave A represents this morning upward movement. Market players could open sell positions up to the 50% retracement level. Set stop loss at 1.0950 and take profit at the breakdown of 1.1020, 1.1050 and 1.1128. This plan came from the framework of price action and stop hunting strategies. And more from area. This time is USD CAD. It looks so clear that Loonie is still moving dominated by the buyers, where this is seen by its price movement, which is still moving harmlessly within its pitchfork channel going upwards, as well as the price action, which is still moving above WMA20. and CCI indicator, which managed to break above these main three levels. And currently, the movement is stuck at the level of 0. So it's confirmed that if USD CAD has the quite significant support, so that based on the facts above, USD CAD has the potential to continue the increase as long as no downward correction past the 1.3163 level. In the near future, USD CAD will try to break above the 1.3303 level, and the 1.3386 level will be the next target to go. Arif Makmur glad to present to you the trading idea for crude oil commodity asset. On the weekly chart of the crude oil commodity asset, it can be seen that the CCI indicator has managed to break its three main levels, -100, 0, and 100, and the price movement is above WMA20. So that in the coming weeks, crude oil will try to test the 83.52 level and 85.15 area. But if on the way to the target level, suddenly there was a downward correction which broke below the level of 76.43, you can be sure that the bull scenario described earlier will cancel itself. And finally, here's Laurie Bailey with AUD USD pair focused. Let's have a look. The pair surpassing the support of the MACD line on the daily time frame opened the way towards the target level of 0.6560. A consolidation under this level will likely open the way to the second target and the embedded line of the price channel, 0.6388. The decline of the Marlin oscillator lowers the probability of a return above the MACD line. On the 4-hour chart, the pair consolidated below the signal level of 0.6625, which paves the way to the nearest support. However, a mild convergence also occurred. And this may delay the onset of sellers, possibly before the release of US employment data in the private sector. That's all for today. See you online soon. Good luck.